the coach of Sulu Advanced Karate Association. Please prepare Salgado Nas, Fuentes Cerces, Au, Isagan Lister, Aka, Ibale Nathan, Au, Dueñas Jobel, Aka, Ruz Caleb, Au, Gatala Ryan, Aka, Hamzai Al-Hafid, Au, Riquento Aaron, Au, James Valentino, please change your belt to red. For the next bout, Salgado Nas, Aka versus Fuentes Cerces. Fuentes, please raise your hand. Okay. Salgado Nas, please raise your hand.
Fernandez Kaifer.
Calling 12 to 13 years old intermediate kata boys, please proceed to tatami 2 now. Again, Salgado Nas, please raise your hand. Salgado Nas, okay. Versus Fuentes Cerces. Fuentes.
Musgrove Tilden from SKA NIR. Musgrove Tilden, first call. De Castro Shan from Dukai GKH. De Castro Shan from Dukai GKH. De Castro, Musgrove, first call. Musgrove Shan, Musgrove Tilden fifth from SKA NIR. Musgrove, Estrada Rich from USJR, standby. Maisog Dominic from Dojo 1, Maisog Dominic, raise your hand. Noynay Lucky Van from JTA Miguelien. Gabato Hako.
Isagan Lister, please raise your hand. Okay, next bout. Ibale Nathan. Next bout. Please prepare Dueñas Jobel, please raise your hand. Ruz Caleb. Okay.
Musgrove